Having a little look here at Cisco. Good trading stock, this one. Don't always come up with good trades. There we go, just taking a short here. Short 1,000 shares there, filled at 26.69. Alright, this is SRMX. This is another nice Nasdaq stock. Pretty good pattern. Volume's a bit thin. Spread's quite wide, which is very often the case when you're on thin volume. Looking for a possible short on this one. That's it. Going short here. Just got filled there. 1603,000 shares short on SOMX. Having a little look here at FLA, Florida East Coast Industries. Nicey stock. Pattern what we don't see too often. Nice pattern though. The market as a whole supports a short from about here. Volume is pretty low on this, but this chart can be deceptive. If you have a look at these, each of these is worth 50 cents. If we open the chart up a bit, you can actually see the pattern a bit better. So looking for a short on here. Gone short there, 1,000 at 84.07, and that is FLA. Just taking a long here on HRS. Got in a little bit, or getting in, there we are, 49.25. A little bit slow there, I was just switching the video on for you. So nice pattern, probably not going to go too far because we've got this gap up here to close off yesterday's low up there. So looking to get around this sort of area, which is only going to give us about 20 cents or so, maybe a bit less, 15, but it all helps, all a bit of cash in the bank. Back here on HRS, if you remember, this one was looking here to get up to about this sort of area yesterday's close. This will get stuck around here, as it is in fact doing, but it may also, I mean, it may make it up as far as yesterday's low. Don't know, nobody knows, nobody can tell what's going to happen. All I can do is assess the probabilities. At the moment this is getting a little bit stuck around here, so what I'm going to do is sell half of this position off here. We're long from 25, 49.25, so I'm selling off half this position here at, where are we? Waiting for a fill there, taking a bit of a long time. There we go, 49.43 we got filled on that, so that was a quick $90 banked from that one, and then we'll just see what happens with the rest of it. Cisco trade here is running into a little bit of support down there, so I'm going to buy back half of that, cover half of that position there. Just got filled there at 26.49. Back here on SRMX, this has been a funny old trade. Moved up and down here. We had a bit of a volume spike there. That was price spike. That was actually a couple of trades what went off well outside the market. So it's run down here, running into a little bit of difficulty down here. Not so much support, just volume drying up really. Not a lot of volume going through at all. We're short from 16.03. Alright, going out of that trade there. We go 15.78 got filled there, giving us $125 on that one. That's half out there. I'm going to come back and let this run a little bit longer. I think we can get a little bit of a better price for the rest of that. I'm back here on HRS, up here now at 55. It's looking pretty good. It's getting close to yesterday's high. I want to start closing out the rest of my trades, finish up for the day here. So I'm just going to close this one out. Waiting to get filled there. Nicey stocks take a bit longer. There we go. Got filled there at 49.55, giving us 150 on the second half of that one. So it weren't bad because we weren't expecting an awful lot out of that one anyway. As I say, we knew we had a little bit of a gap to close there, so not too bad out of that one. Alright, just back here on SRMX. I said I thought I could get a better price for this, and I wasn't wrong. This has gone down another little bit there. Tick down a bit further. So last slot we came out off at 15.78, now down at 15.50. It's getting a bit stuck around that area, so late in the day, lunchtime really. So looking to close out that last bit there. So I'm going to close out that position there. There we go, just got filled there at 15.50 to give us, what was that, $265 on that trade in the second half of that trade there. Also going to close out this Cisco trade. This still piddled around, it still really ain't done much. So just going to get out of that one. There we go, got out of there, 26.53. So just a little $80 on that one. Alright, just back on the FLA chart here. It's the last one got open. Short here from 84.07. This is still going down, but it's pretty close to lunchtime now, and I've already been trading longer than what I like to normally. So looking to close this out now. So I think we're just going to close this whole position out in one go. There we go. Little bit of a couple of seconds there to get a feel because it's nicey stock. 83.81 was what we got filled on there for $260 on that one. Alright then, just to give you a quick summary of what happened there, we had HRS, that was the only long what we took today. That one was $90 on the first half there, 150 on the second half. I'm just going to try and zoom this in a bit, see if you can't see that a little bit better. There you go. I don't know if that makes it any easier for you to see anyway. So as I say, 90 and 150. Cisco, that one was a real slow burner when it didn't really do anything. 100 on the first half, $80 on the second half of that. SRMX, that was a little bit better. Got 125 on the first half of that one, on that short, and $265 on the second half up there. And FLA, that was the last one what you saw me take there. $260 out in one go on that one. Didn't bother messing around with that. So that gives a total profit of $1,070 today, which I have to say I'm pretty disappointed with that because it's now 11:45. That's been a long day's trading. Actually started at about 9:30 doing pre-market homework. I have to admit I was a bit late doing the pre-market homework, so didn't actually start that until the market was already open. So that's about 2 hours, 2 hours 15 minutes work. Only just over $1,000 profit. Pretty disappointing day, I have to say. But there you go. Some days just turn out like that, don't they? So anyway, I hope that video's been useful to you as always. And remember, there's always more videos on the blog. I'm keeping all these videos on the blog, daytradingfreedom.com/videos. So you can go back and look at any of the old ones if you have missed any of the old ones and want to have another look at some other trades. Alright, see you in the next video.